Now, next topic is propositional logic. Propositional logic is the simplest form of logic where all the statements are made by propositions. A proposition is a declarative statement which is either true or false. It is a technique of knowledge representation in logical and mathematical form. It is it is a way of representing knowledge. In logic and mathematics, a propositional calculus or logic is a formal system in which formula representing propositions can be formed by combining atomic proposition using logical connectives. Sentences considered in propositional logic are not arbitrary sentences, but are the ones that are either true or false, but not both. This kind of sentences are called prepositions. So these are the examples. If it is raining, then you can represent rainy. It is sunny, then you can represent sunny. It is windy, so you can represent windy. If it is raining, then it is not sunny. So raining, implication, not, negation, sunny. Following are some basic facts. These are some facts about propositional logic. Propositional logic is also called Boolean logic as it works on 0 and 1. In propositional logic, we use symbolic variables to represent the logic, and we can use any symbol for representing a proposition such as A, B, C, B, Q, R, etc. Proposition can be either true or false, but it cannot be both. Proposition can be either true or false, but it cannot be both. Propositional logic consists of an object, a relation or function, and logical connectives. These connectives are also called logic operators. The propositions and connectives are the basic elements of the propositional logic. Connectives can be said as a logical operator which connects two sentences. A proposition formula which is always false is called contradiction, and a proposition formula which is always true is called tautology, and it is also called a valid sentence. Proposition formula which has both true and false value is called statement, which are questions. Commands or opinions are not propositions such as where is Rohini, how are you, what is your name are not prepositions. Syntax of propositional logic. First is atomic proposition. Atomic propositions are the simple proposition. It consists of a single proposition symbol. Let's say 2 plus 2 is 4. So it is an atomic proposition and it is a true fact. The sun is cold is also a proposition as it is a false fact. Second is compound proposition. Compound propositions are constructed by combining simpler or atomic propositions using parentheses and logical connectives. It is raining today and street is wet. So and is the connective. Ankit is a doctor and his clinic is in Mumbai. So and is a connective. Now logical connectives. Logical connectives are used to connect two simpler propositions or representing a sentence logically. So we can create compound proposition with the help of logical connectives. There are mainly 5 connectives which are given below, given as follows. First is negation. You can represent in the form of not, capital letters, NOT. A sentence such as negation P is called negation of P. A literal can be either positive literal or negative literal. So P is true, so negation P is false. P false, negation P is true. Now truth table. In proposition logic, we need to know the truth values of proposition in all possible scenarios. So we can combine all for the possible combination with logical connectives, and the representation of these combinations in a tabular format is called truth table. Now conjunction, and you can represent A and D, a sentence which has and connective such as P and Q is called a conjunction. For example, Rohan is intelligent, Rohan is hardworking. So P and Q, Rohan is intelligent and hardworking. So P is true, Q true, so P and Q also true. P true, Q false, so P and Q also false. P true, Q false, sorry, P false, Q true, so P and Q also false. P false, Q false, P and Q also false. Disjunction, it can represent in the form like or, a sentence which have or connective such as P or Q is called disjunction, where P and Q are the preposition. Ritika is a doctor or engineer, where Ritika is doctor and Q is Ritika is engineer. So we can write it is as P or Q. The truth table of P or Q. P is true, Q is true, so P or Q is also true. P false, Q true, so P or Q also true. P true, Q false, so P or Q is also true. P false, Q false, so P or Q also false. Then implication. You can represent if-then statement or conditional. A sentence such as P implication Q is called an implication. Implication, also known as if-then rule. It can be represented as if it is raining, then state is wet. If P it is raining and Q is state is wet. So it is represented as P implication Q. Now the truth table of implication of P implication Q. P is true, Q is true, then P implication Q is true. P true, Q false, then P implication Q false. P false, Q true, then P implication Q true. P false, Q false, then P implication Q true. Next is biconditional, if and only if. A sentence such as P double implication Q is a biconditional sentence. For example, if I am breathing, then I am alive. Now we assume P equals to I am breathing, Q equals to I am alive. So it can be represented as P double implication Q. Now the truth table of P implication Q is if P true, Q true, then P double implication Q true. P true, Q false. So P double implication Q is false. P false, Q true, then P double implication Q is false. P false, Q false, then P double implication Q is true. Now there are some proposition logic connectives. This is AND symbol, this is OR, and this is implies. This is if and only if. You can say double implication. This is negation, not symbol. This is conjunction A and B, disjunction A or B, implication A implication B, biconditional A double implication B, negation A or negation B. Thank you.